Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set your own pictures as a screensaver on any smart TV. This is a great way to personalize your TV and enjoy your favorite memories every time your screen goes idle. And the best part, it works 100% of the time. Let's get started. First, make sure your smart TV is connected to the internet. Most smart TVs will have a network settings option where you can connect to your Wi-Fi. Navigate to settings and then network to get connected. Next, you'll need to download a Screensaver app. Go to your TV's app store. This could be the Google Play Store, Samsung Apps, or LG Content Store, depending on your TV brand. Search for a screensaver app like Google Photos, Artcast, or Photo Screensaver. Once the app is installed, open it and sign it with your account. For Google Photos, use your Google account. Make sure the photos you want to use are uploaded to this account. You can upload photos from your phone or computer to Google Photos. After signing in, go to the app settings. Look for an option like screensaver settings or ambient mode. Select this option and choose the album or photos you want to use. In Google Photos, you can create a new album specifically for your screensaver. Now go back to your TV's main settings menu. Look for the screensaver or ambient mode settings. Now select the screensaver app you just set up and choose it as your default screensaver. And that's it. Your own picture will now display as the screensaver on your smart TV. Sit back and enjoy your personalized slideshow.